We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox with Excel seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the folder where you want to store your Excel file or create a new folder by clicking on the New Folder button. Now, open Excel on your computer and either create a new worksheet or open an existing one that you want to work with. Once your Excel file is ready, save it to your computer. Make sure to remember the location where you've saved it. Now, go back to the Dropbox website. Click on the Upload button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. Select the file you just saved from your computer, and it will start uploading to Dropbox. Once the upload is complete, your Excel file will be stored in Dropbox, and you can access it from any device with Dropbox installed. If you need to work on the file directly from Dropbox, simply click on the file name. It will open in Dropbox's file viewer, and you can download it to make changes or click Open with Excel if you have the Dropbox desktop app integrated with Excel. This integration allows you to open, edit, and save Excel files directly from Dropbox without needing to download and re-upload them manually. Make sure to save your changes in Excel, and they will automatically sync back to Dropbox. This is especially useful for collaboration, as multiple users can access and update the file without creating multiple versions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.